I had an appointment today. My name is Sarah.
Just wait in the waiting area.
Okay.
Hello, Shreya.
How
Come
many
in.
months?
5 months. What have you come here for?
No, I had visited dentist a week ago since I was having swollen gums and pus. That's why she asked me to come back with my blood sugar level checked. And it says I'm diabetic.
Oh, sorry to hear that.
Yapai, why are you here?
I just came for a regular checkup.
Is it? You should be more careful these months, okay? Yourself and your baby too.
Sarah, come in. Hello, Sarah. Tell me what happened.
Doctor, I have bleeding while brushing and my gums are also swollen.
Okay, let me have a look. Okay, just open your mouth. Sarah, so you have got infection of your gums. It is usually seen during pregnancy. All you have to do is improve your oral hygiene as well as brushing technique. Because during pregnancy, there is high risk of you delivering a baby before your due date as well as your baby being weak. So I suggest you to maintain proper oral hygiene. Okay?
Doctor, I have got my biopsy report.
Okay. Submit it to the assistant. As I was speaking, you have to improve oral hygiene and brushing technique. Tomorrow we will continue with treatment plan. First we will be doing scaling part and then polishing, and we will prescribe you some of the antibiotics. Okay?
Doctor, the biopsy report says stage 1 cancer.
Okay, keep it in the file. So Sarah, your treatment will be done during next appointment.
Thank you, doctor. Hello, Dad. Today I realized that the pus in your gums could be due to diabetes. I feel you should go to a dentist for a checkup. Okay, bye.
Today was an eye-opener for me. I realized that oral health and systemic health are two sides of a coin, and it's never late to rectify our mistakes and lead a healthy life as a second chance. My journey of bringing out a difference in the society has started. But remember, we is always better than me. As said, oral health is the mirror of the body. If we care about our health, we can keep diseases such as diabetes, cardiovascular, cancer, and even preterm low birth weight at bay, which will bring about a holistic and a definitive change in our future generations too.
Namaste. Today, oral hygiene awareness has come a long way, and not just amongst the healthcare workers, but also amongst the general public at large. But that does not stop us, the staff and students of Srinivas Institute of Dental Sciences, from taking every step required to bring this awareness to each and every one of you. The oral cavity, unaware to you, hosts a plethora of problems that can have detrimental implications far beyond the oral cavity and extends to the rest of the body. This year, bringing this awareness to your notice is a pledge we take together.
Having good oral hygiene is just not about having a beautiful smile, but it is much beyond that. Poor oral hygiene or oral health can worsen the already pre-existing conditions like heart issues or diabetes or patients who are pregnant. So identifying the oral condition at its earliest and treating it and visiting a dental professional at the earliest is the best.
Oral health is a mirror of the body. Yes, it is a mirror. Many a times we use a mirror to see our reflections. But what we need to remember is a mirror can not only be used to see a reflection, but we have a chance to correct ourselves. Even if oral condition is unhealthy, we have a chance to go in for a good dental treatment and to correct it. By doing so, a lot of improvement in systemic health is seen. Some years back, there was no association between oral health and systemic health, but today it is a proven fact. So, on this Oral Hygiene Day, let us all pledge to use this knowledge to build a healthier community.
We are celebrating Oral Hygiene Day. It has a very important role to play because the growing burden of oral diseases demands action at every level, at individual, family and community level. And we can achieve it by making oral hygiene a personal priority for all.
We create awareness by bringing basic changes like proper dental brushing, dental flossing and regular dental visits, which helps to build a better community.